Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. Students, today I am going to teach you English literature from your supplementary book, Moments. So I am starting with the first chapter, The Lost Child. It is written by Mulk Raj Anand, Mulkrajanand. Mulk Raj Anand, he was born in 1905 in Peshawar. At present it is in Pakistan, and he died in 2004 in India. Mulk Raj Anand is one of the famous and renowned Indian authors or novelists in the field of English literature. And Mulk Raj Anand has dealt with the downtrodden people, the backward class, or the poor people in his novels or fictions. Through these people or through the characters of these categories, he has presented his stories, short stories, novels or fictions. So here The Lost Child is also one of the popular and famous short stories of Mulk Raj Anand. In the story, because students, I don't have the textbook, so line by line it is not possible for me to explain, and I think most of you also don't have the textbook. So today I am only going to give you the synopsis of the story or the outline story, so that at least you have an idea what is the content of the story. So the story presents the character or the temperament of a child, the carefree life, the jubilant nature, the joy and happiness of a child. There is no name of the child, and the story opens with the scene of a village fair, the spring fair in the village, and the child, he is in the fair. He is with his parents and he is holding the hands of his parents, and his eyes are glittering with joy and curiosity, and he is enjoying each and every stall in the fair. And those stalls, they are selling various kinds of sweet, various kinds of toys, garlands, flowers, and many other things. You know, students, actually what they do sell in the village fair. So suddenly the boy, he is attracted towards the roundabout. Roundabout means the merry-go-round. You know merry-go-round? The children, they are very much fond of this merry-go-round. They want to ride. So when they all three, they were proceeding towards that roundabout area, suddenly the child finds himself totally alone, and his parents are lost. Then he comes to know that he has lost his parents in the crowd. He was searching them desperately by cutting the crowd, but later on he comes to know that he is lost now, and he is all alone amidst the fair. There is hustle and bustle, so much noise. You know, in the fair, noise is always there. It is a common factor. Then the child, he starts crying.